Once you figure out the type of video you're going to make, the next step is to develop a script for it. Videos like talking head videos, tutorials, demonstrations, and sales videos should have scripts to follow. Given that these types of videos are going to hit on specific points, winging it is definitely not the best option. However, if you're going to shoot a testimonial video, we advise that you do not script it. Rather, come prepared with questions. If you script a testimonial video, it will usually come off as fake or forced. Just like with your overall video marketing strategy, before you write a script, there are a few questions to address. What's the purpose of the video? Are you planning on educating people, creating general brand awareness, or maybe trying to sell a particular product? Who is your intended viewer? Just like with your strategy, you need to know who you're speaking to so that you can craft an appropriate message for them. What action do you want people to take? What do you want people to do after they watch your video? Are they going to head to your website, provide an email address, set an appointment, or maybe make a purchase? By keeping these points top of mind when creating your script, you'll be able to speak directly to your target audience and be as effective as possible. For example, the way you package information intended for business owners is going to be different than that expected for regular customers. If you're just starting out and you've never written a script, you'll probably want to keep it simple at first. Like many kinds of writing, a script can be seen as consisting of three main parts: introduction, body, and conclusion. Since I have no idea what videos you're looking to create, we'll leave that there for now. But if you'd like more info and a more developed template for script writing, you can get it from our definitive guide to video marketing for small businesses. The link to that is below, so please click down there, and thanks for watching.